If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that may cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League social media pages or website to check if there are any server outages or maintenance announcements. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the loading screen problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.